Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here is our video for EPO626 group project of company Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang. This video going to be presented by 4 presenters including myself, Raja Muhammad Adib bin Raja Abdul Halim with metric number 2019291438. The 3 and other presenter is Muhammad Syamil bin Rahim, Muhammad Fahmi bin Dasuan and Ahmad Hasif bin Anuar. So let's go to the first slide, which is the executive summary. So as we know right now, okay, Malaysia's CO2 emission in 2020 were 262.2 million tons. Malaysia's CO2 emission increased significantly from 14.7 to 262 million tons between 1971 and 2020. In order to reduce this emission, Malaysia government has established the sustainable program, which is includes sustainable energy management system, or also known as SEMS. So this video going to explain on the step and procedure that must be followed in order to comply with the requirement and to gain support from BHUU top management for the implementation of SEMS in order to achieve 3-star energy management gold standard certification. So here is our objective for this video. The first is to establish sustainable energy management system and raise awareness about its value for Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang. Second is to get executive management authorization to apply for ASEAN Energy Management Scheme and scheme which is a 3-star energy management gold standard certification. And the last is to explain the road plan for achieving a 3-star certificate energy management gold standard within a specific time frame as well as the potential cost implication. So before we go further, of course, we want to know the background of the company that we choose, which is Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang. Jabatan Perdana Menteri was established on 8 May 1985 after the resolution of Ministry of Law Malaysia. This agency is located at Putrajaya, and BHUU become an agency that monitor and coordinating the Secretariat of the State MST Board meeting. And here are some Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang objective. So let's proceed with another slide, which is Certificate Energy Management Gold Standard, or also known as EMGS. It's divided into 3 phases, and each of it have a 2 years validity period for each star grade, which is a 1 and 2 and 3 star. Certification system based on energy management excellence offered by the ASEAN Energy Management Scheme. The ASEAN Centre of Energy, which is the ACE, has chosen the Malaysia Green Technology Corporation as the certification body for EMGS in Malaysia. EMGS also provide organization with a long-term energy management solution that not only achieve but also maintain and improve the cost reduction. Company will also receive throughout the training for their energy managers. The EMGS is based on ISO 50001. Then the benefit of getting 3-star. Why? Because there is some people going to ask, what is the benefit by getting 3-star? So here is the benefit. Once Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang manage to obtain the 3-star energy management gold standard, they will get a benefit such as cost saving, energy conservation, efficiency, and the use of renewable energy sources can all help to reduce the rising electricity tariff and variable energy costs. Second is will enable the end user to implement an ISO 50001 with compliant sustainable energy management system at a cheaper cost. Last but not least, it will increase the staff awareness for energy conservation and waste minimization. So that's all for me, and now let's proceed with another presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syamil bin Rahim. ID number 2019267832, and I am the next presenter in this presentation. So I'm going to present about the overview of the Sustainable Energy Management System, SEMS. SEMS is a practice of regulating energy consumption in a firm to ensure efficient energy use. It encompasses all aspects of energy consumption in the business of our choosing, which is Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang BHUU. For its implementation to go well, full support from all organisation workforce are required. In order to gain support from both organisation and its employees, several guidelines have been established. The first one is ability to raise employee awareness and participation from all levels of business, enhance the knowledge of the organisation and its employees, be able to integrate the standard working procedure or other system in the organisation, and support the organisation continual improvement approach. So BHEUU is unable to control and maintain the sampling result without a sustainable energy management system. Having SEMS is important because it will help the energy management team at BHEUU. It will help to lower the cost of operation and maintenance, raise employee understanding on the need of energy conservation and waste reduction, creating an energy goal and strategy, and increasing the understanding of the firm and its employees about energy management. So the 3-star energy management goal standard target matrix conduct initial stage in SEMS set up by having an energy management status evaluation by using energy management matrix. BHEU current state is depicted by the red line, while the green line is where the organisation is targeted on after reaching 3-star EMDS by November 2024. There are 6 levels in the matrix: energy policy, organising, motivation, information system, marketing and investment, and BHEU is currently in the red line and they are proceeding toward the green line. So Sustainable Energy Management System SEMS. BHEU have to go through 4 stages in order to obtain 1-star, 2-star and 3-star EMGS. The roadmap of SEMS is also included. So we can see in the graphics there are 4 stages, which is evaluation, organization preparation, the 1-star, implementation of energy conservation measure, the 2-star, and system integration, the 3-star. So energy policy. Energy policy is the area of extent of implementing the energy policy should be clearly defined. It must contain a commitment to ongoing improvement as well as adequate resource allocation in the organisation. Must be documented, implemented and promoted across the company, formed based on discussion held by the committee and agreed upon by the chosen manager. The Sustainable Energy Management Policy is to promote energy efficient management, improve cost effectiveness, improve environmental performance, implement green government procurement, encourage innovation in green technologies, and lastly, ensure continuous improvement. The energy objective. There are 2 objectives, short term and long term. The long term objective is reduce the building energy index of Bahagian Ehwal Undang-Undang BHEUU 10% below the average use of the previous year and heading towards the achievement of 3-star energy management gold standard in the next 3 years period. The short-term objective, the first one, making sure all personnel who work at BHEUU such as the technical staff, non-technical staff and governing occupant are completely equipped with energy management system awareness, skill as well as knowledge in the period of 6 months in the first year. The second objective is implementation of energy conservative measure in the next 24 months period or precisely 2 years, and allocating sufficient resources in establishing a well-reformed energy monitoring system. And the last objective is organizing an energy management review every 6 months, which will involve the members of top management board and all the maintenance workforce in BHEUU. The purpose of this review is to make sure that everyone is well informed and continuously being kept up to date with the development of energy management system along the implementation period. That's all from me in this presentation. Thank you so much. We proceed to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fahmi bin Dasuan and my ID is 2019-476132. So now I will continue with energy management team in BHEUU. As we can see, the Energy Management Committee in BHEUU is led by their chairman, followed by their secretary as CEM, and then the other 5 components are the operations, unit or electrical engineer, head of EAC, finance representative, safety manager, administration, record, and human resource. Now, we go to the information system. To acquire a proper SEMS, the information system on how energy performance is monitored and reported need to be identified. By using the energy consumption data obtained from TNB bills, the energy efficiency index could be calculated so that the energy performance can be evaluated and compared. Here is the electrical energy consumption for BHEUU from January 2021 to December 2021. And here is the Energy Efficiency Index year 2021 and electrical energy consumption data. As we can see, from the average value of EEI along the year 2021, 5% reduction in electrical energy consumption has been targeted for the year 2022, and another reduction in the year 2023, which result in a cumulative amount of 10% saving along with the implementation of energy management system in the selected area at BHEUU. Now, let's look at the milestone of work progress on EMGS plan. As we can see, the implementation of the first stage of 1-star EMGS will be start in first quarter of 2022 until quarter 4 2022. For 2-star EMGS, it will start from fourth quarter in 2022 and end up in quarter 3 2023. Meanwhile, for the 3rd-star EMGS, it will start from quarter 3 2023 and end up in quarter 3 2024. Now, let's look at the energy conservation measures implementation plan. For no-cost plan, there is awareness program, adjust air conditioner thermostat setting to 24 until 26 Celsius, light optimization, switch off computer and other component when not in use. For low-cost plan, change the light bulb to LED, chiller servicing, install lighting control. And for the high-cost plan, replace new effective HVAC system, install solar panels, and upgrade all outdated equipment. Next, let's look at the energy conservation measures milestone chart. As we can see, based on the ECMS plan, the first phase, which is no-cost plan, will be implemented starting from quarter 1 2023 and end up in quarter 4 2023. For low-cost plan, the plan will be implemented starting from quarter 4 2023 until quarter 1 2024. Meanwhile, high-cost plan will be implemented starting from quarter 2 2024 until quarter 4 2024.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ahmad Hasif bin Anuar and my student ID is 2019-627-126. And for today's presentation, I'm going to talk about energy monitoring system. The monitoring device was installed by BHEUU to ensure that the monitoring was done and recorded to justify the efficiency of the ECMs. The ideal monitoring system to be adapted is by indicating sub-metering system with the installation of digital power meter DPM. Here is the example of the usual layout plan, indicated sub-metering points to install DPM. Next, we're going to look for Energy Accounting Center, which is AEC. Energy Accounting Center is a team specialized in recording and analyzing the data received from DPM. Then each team are also responsible in reporting those findings to the energy manager periodically. Here is the example of the BHEUU, which is each EAC is in charge by level, where each level in the singular block building will be installed with 3 dBm. The reason why each level are installed with 3 dBm are for the purpose of monitoring the main load distribution in the building, which are power socket, ACMV and lighting. Now we go through energy management budget and investment. As you can see here, the total budget of energy conservation measure ECM is 380,000. Now we are going to look at investment appraisal. For investment appraisal, based on the simple payback period (SPP), the return of investment (ROI) is SPP equal to total amount of investment divided by annual saving, which means that 380,000 divided by 94,060 equals to 4.03. Therefore, the estimated ROI for the energy conservation measure ECM is less than 5 years. Hence, the sustainable energy program is highly suggested to ensure all the benefit is achieved. For the next one is project summary. As you can see, this is the AMS Energy Management Gold Standard Star Achievement Plan for BHEUU. And their plan is to achieve the 3 Gold Standard Star by the year of 2024. In order to achieve that, they must working manual procedure and operation maintenance procedure integration. And the second one is ISO procedure integration. And the third one is training procedure. And the last but not least is low cost and high cost ECM implementation. As a conclusion, with the implementation of constructed plan, there is zero doubt that Bahagian Hal Ehwal Undang-Undang will be ready to head towards 3-star energy management system EMGS. This will spearhead the organization to achieving a sustainable energy management system.